Hello everyone, today I will introduce our topic, electrical vehicle and sustainable development. Electrical vehicle or EVs are becoming more popular around the world because they can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Many governments support EV by providing subsidy and building more charging stations. In 2023, global EV sales reached over 40 million vehicles, showing that its industry is growing very quickly. EV also supports sustainable development goals, especially SDG 13 climate action, as well as SDG 9 and SDG 7 and SDG 11. One of the biggest advantages of the EVs is that they produce no direct thermal emissions, which help important air quality. When powered by renewable energy, they can also reduce carbon emission across their life cycle. However, this benefit depend on clean electricity, recycling, and stronger government support.
The renewal of EVs great dependency and externalities. Despite the environmental benefits, electric vehicles still have some limitations. One major problem is their dependence on the electricity grid. If EVs use electricity from coal or fossil fuels, emissions are only moved from cars to power stations. Another challenge is battery production. EV batteries need materials such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Mining these risks cause pollution, water shortages, and social problems for local communities. These problems show that SDG 13 climate action is connected with SDG 12 responsible consumption and production. EVs can reduce emissions, but real sustainability requires clean energy, responsible mining, recycling, and better cycle management.
The move to electrical vehicles is efforted by technology, political power, and economic power. Luke's framework explains how governments and companies influence decisions. Companies like Tesla, BYD, and Volkswagen influence policies through investment and new technology. Many developing countries provide raw materials, while richer countries earn more from manufacturing. In my opinion, sustainable development should protect the environment and treat all countries and people fairly. Everyone should share the benefit of the green transition.
If you agree problem in the EV industry, many companies call electric vehicle their image card, but this only means we can produce low emissions when driving, not including pollution from battery production, many electricity generation or battery recycling. Such EV increase a lot amount of carbon emissions. So we should look at the whole life cycle and not only what happened on the roads. Think companies making more transportation help consumers making choices and support real saving plans when encouraging responsible production. Consumption electric vehicles are important way of reducing emissions, but they are not a complete solution. Climate change, environmental benefit depend on clean electricity, responsible supply chains, and recycling of good government policies. Overall, it will help to achieve several sustainable development goals, including cybersecurity plans 9, 11, 12, and 13. But this success should not be measured only by sales, should also be measured by how much it contributed to sustainable development. Government, businesses, and consumers all need to work together to build a more sustainable.
Do you think government should continue giving subsidies for electric vehicles? Yes, because subsidies encourage more people to buy EVs and reduce emissions. However, government should also invest in renewable energy and battery recycling to make EVs more sustainable.
What's the biggest challenge facing the EV industry today?
I think the biggest challenge is battery production, meaning lithium and cobalt creates environmental and social problems. Solving these issues is more important for making EVs truly sustainable.
Thank you.